Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download Healow app on laptop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The Healow app is primarily designed for mobile devices and does not have a native desktop application for Windows or Mac OS. However, you can access Healow on your laptop through the web portal. So to do it, what you need to do is head over and open up your browser. Then on your search bar, simply type in healow.com. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply log in with your credentials, and then once logged in, you can view lab results, medications and immunization records, book appointments online, and send and receive secure messages, participate in telehealth visits, and this method provides a comprehensive experience similar to the mobile app, allowing you to manage your health information securely from your laptop. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.